my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani. Today we are here with our June Skin-Fatuation video in partnership with Ulta Beauty. So in case you guys are new around here, Ulta Beauty and I get together every month and we bring you a skincare trend of the month. So we've talked about masks and we've talked about products with sun protection. And this month we're gonna talk about cleansers. Not only do I enjoy talking about skincare, but in every one of these videos, I get to be skincare Santa Claus. So every one of these videos is a giveaway, so every single product that I talk about in this month's Skin-Fatuation trend could be yours. Like last month, congratulations, Cynthia in California. She won all of her products with SPF. So this month, June, we are talking cleansers. How many of y'all go to bed without washing your face? Don't worry, we're all friends here. No judgment is being passed. I may or may not have slept with my makeup the other day, yesterday, but we don't need to talk about it. I do get this question often, and that is, can I buy the box? These products are tailored to specific needs. So Ulta isn't selling the box of products that we talk about. They're basically gathering a theme of skincare products, and then you get to decide, which one's better for me? Which one would be better for my skincare needs? For example, we're gonna talk about cleansers, but some of these cleansers are multi-purpose. Some of these are for sensitive skin. Others are also exfoliators. Others could be used as a mask. What? Yes. Okay, so there's going to be a couple of links in the description box below. The first one's going to be a link for all of these products. You click on that and you can find more information on all of these cleansers that we're going to talk about. The other link is going to be the giveaway link for those of you that are feeling lucky and want to bring all these cleansers home and have a big giant cleanser party. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. A pre-cleanse? What the what? This is one of those products that's going to just completely remove everything off your face, from excessive oil to waterproof makeup. It's insane. This is one of those products that's like super ultra heavy duty. It's gonna take care of you. So as a pre-cleanse, it's gonna be used before your Dermalogica cleanser. Dermalogica is one of those skincare brands that designs a regimen for you. So you're gonna have your specific cleanser, your specific moisturizer. So this is the pre-cleanse. This is what's going to remove the pollutants, the waterproof makeup, the excess oil. I mean, anything that is just built up and just gunky all over your face, this is going to remove all of that. Then you'll go in with your Dermalogica cleanser. So this is going to be for those of you that love that makeup, use a lot of waterproof makeup, maybe are outdoors a lot or play sports, use a lot of heavier sunscreens. This guy is gonna be your best friend. How many of you have sensitive skin? I know sensitive skin is probably, sometimes it feels like a sentence, right? Because you don't know which products are gonna be nice to you, which ones are gonna break you out, which ones are just gonna hurt or dry out your skin. This product here is for those of you that struggle with sensitive skin. This is Confidence in a Cleanser by IT Cosmetics. So this is Confidence in a Cleanser. It's a hydrating cleansing serum. It is anti-aging, but it's also paraben-free and sulfate-free, so it's great for people with sensitive skin. Now, this is one of those products that's just going to completely just melt away anything on your face, but do it in a very gentle way where you don't have to really scrub or get in there with any additional tools or products. It's gentle enough to use twice a day, morning and night. You just kind of wet your face and sort of just massage your skin for about 30 seconds, rinse and pat dry, and you're good. It's not one of those products that's going to require an additional cleanser after using it. The next product is super cool, especially if you like masking, like this one right here. This is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser / Purifying Mask. This is a cleanser that you can use twice a day, or you could use it 3 times a week if you leave it on a little bit longer as a purifying mask. Not only does it remove excess dirt and pollutants on the skin, but it also assists in unclogging pores if you utilize it like a mask. Super cool, right? I like those products that, you know, skincare can be a little daunting sometimes. It could be just super complicated and you're like, oh my God, I don't need all these products. But if you could find a cleanser that your skin likes, that removes heavy makeup, you know, that unclogs pores, but can also be used like a mask, 2 for 1, don't mind if I do. The next one is also a 2 for 1, a product that has a multi-purpose to it. So Clarins has a exfoliating cleanser that has orange extract. This product is cool because you can use it every day as a cleanser, but it's also going to help improve the radiance of your skin because of the orange extract. It will gently exfoliate the surface of your skin, helping unclog pores, you know, restoring the radiance of your skin and just keeping your skin at its optimal radiance level because it exfoliates. Does that make sense? So it's gentle enough to use every day as a cleanser, but it also has the orange extract, which will help exfoliate the skin and keep your skin looking young, youthful, pores unclogged, and just restore its radiance. Cleansing balms, you guys. Cleansing balms are so trendy right now. Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm is such a magical product because if you look at it, it looks like a solid, just like a balm, right? It smells good. It just looks like a balm. You scoop a little bit out and upon contact, it turns almost into like an oil. You massage it into your skin and everything just melts off your face. Now you're thinking, oh my gosh, it's just gonna leave my face super oily and then I'm gonna have to go in with a cleanser or a soap or something to just remove all that oiliness. It doesn't. It actually rinses clean off your skin. It's not oily or slippery or greasy or anything. It just melts everything off your face and then actually cleanses clear off your skin without leaving any residue behind. It's kind of awesome. So if you guys like that like really gentle approach to removing your makeup with like a cleansing oil, this might be a really good option for you guys to check out. Then we have a micellar water. This is from Garnier. This is the Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. The one with the blue cap on it is the one that removes waterproof makeup. So I don't know if you guys can tell, it has a little bit of a separation to it. And micellar water can be a little tricky to use because you're like, it's just water. What's it gonna do? It's actually kind of like a secret weapon. It's pretty powerful in the way that it removes products. Now this is one of those types of cleansers. It's a micellar water. It does remove all traces of makeup, including mascara. It removes all sorts of dirt and grime and pollution that's on your skin, and you don't need to rinse it. So this might be a cool option for those of you that maybe don't have access to water, that are traveling, that are really, really fast and don't want to do the whole shebang of like the water and the rubbing and the, you know, the facial brush and all that stuff. You just need a cotton pad, saturated cotton pad, and you kind of just soak your lashes for a little bit, wipe it away, and it's gone. Same thing with the face. So this is a really gentle product that is very powerful and does not require rinsing. And the tried and true makeup removing wipes. These are everyone's favorite. I mean, everyone is in love with the Neutrogena makeup wipes. So these are the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. They're very handy for travel because it doesn't matter how big the pack is or how small, it's always gonna be TSA friendly, right? They are gentle enough for sensitive skin, but they also remove all traces of makeup, including mascara, and they do not require rinsing. Now, if you wanted to go in after and use a cleanser, you can. These are makeup removing wipes. These are actually pretty handy too at your vanity station or something. If you're gonna go and do like a really smoky eye and then you have fallout, you could go in and wipe like the lower portion of your face. If you do something that you don't like. Very cool because you could target the makeup removal where you want it, as opposed to going in with like a balm and applying it to your whole face. These are wipes, so you take the wipe and you could target the removal to where you want it. Like if you wanted to recycle your mascara for your date at night, but your foundation's looking a little rough and you want to reapply that, you could go in with a wipe. Okay, don't take my awful advice, you guys. Anyway, that is it for the June Skin-Fatuation trend. Cleansers. All about cleansers. Let me know which one of these is probably the best suited for you. Don't forget that this is also a giveaway thanks to Ulta Beauty. So if you want your chance at winning all of these cleansers, there will be a link in the description box below, along with another link with all the information on the cleansers that we talked about in this video. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.